Welcome everybody to the Knowledge Series. We're going to be doing several articles and blogs and videos on these 9 activities within Archibus. We believe that Archibus is a single platform that can actually take any disaster from beginning to end, from identification all the way through reoccupation of a site or a building. And with that, I have with us the Workplace Maven Alliance, which consists of Infonaris, Online FM, Robotech, CAD Solutions, IMS Consulting, RSC, and all 5 of us are certified Archibus business partners. This infographic shows us the 9 modules or activities within Archibus that we believe can provide probably the only solution in the world that can take a disaster from beginning to end, starting with 1 all the way through 9. The second module that we'd like to highlight here is the Building Operations module, where in the environmental health and safety is connected directly so that on the reporting of the incident, a work request can be automatically routed to a craftsperson to come and clean an area, repair an area, disinfect an area, and it goes absolutely through the Archibus workflow rules and can be escalated depending on its cause types or its problem type. So in other words, if the problem type is of a life safety issue, the service level agreement can quickly get that request into a craftsperson's hand, bypass all approvals and estimates, and that person could be there within minutes or hours and be dealing with the repair or disinfecting of the area.
Something that often gets lost in on-demand work and corrective maintenance within Archibus is everyone has to enter a problem type to create a work request, but the follow-up side of that is the repair type and the cause code that are entered on the back end. Something that you can definitely leverage within that is the cause code. While you might have something that COVID-19 caused, like you have to go clean up something or disinfect an area because of COVID-19, you don't want to add that as a problem type necessarily, but you do want to be able to report after the fact on how many work requested we have that were triggered by something having to do with COVID-19. So you can easily add that to your cause type table. And now that's the cause type for the work request. So now while it was a cleanup or disinfection or something, you now can test 8 months. How many work requests do we have that were caused because of a COVID-19 related issue?
What if I don't have the building operations application? I use space. I have my CAD drawings, I have my phone lines, my spaces, employees, but I don't have that building application. So, of course, everything will work better if you build applications one on top of the other, because every one that you add is exponentially giving you higher benefit of the data that you already have. So think about adding it, but even if you don't and you use another building operations or CMMS application, it can be integrated with the Archibus data in a way that data can be exchanged both ways between the applications.
One underutilized area of building operations within Archibus are the reference documents. So as you have certain types of problems that are related to disinfecting or related to the current pandemic, you can have reference documents that are automatically associated with your work orders. So as someone goes out to clean an infected area, they have a reliable standard procedure for cleaning infected areas. Using the preventive maintenance application, users can create location-based PM procedures to ensure that all locations are cleaned on a routine basis and that you have a record of those cleanings to keep the workspace disinfected.
Thanks for being a part of this and allowing us to be a part of your day-to-day.